Hey guys, it's Pete from London Camera Exchange, and we're here at the Hawk Conservancy in Andover, and we've got the new Sony RX10 IV. We're really excited to try out the focus tracking, which hopefully should give some good results with the birds in flight. We're also going to see what detail that 1-inch sensor can provide. So come along and let's see what we can get. With its zoom lens being an equivalent of 24 to 600mm at f2.4 to f4, and the RX's 1-inch 21-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, this Sony bridge camera already begins to turn many heads for its potential results from a smaller than expected body. Weighing in at just over 1,000 grams, the RX10 IV has been designed all around versatility and speed. The fast hybrid AF can lock on lightning quick with a 0.03 second autofocus response speed, making shooting moving subjects even easier. This is a first within a Cybershot series of camera. Match this with the Bion ZX imaging processor, an anti-distortion shutter up to 32 thousandths of a second, a huge 315 autofocus points covering approximately 65% of the image area, and a highly reliable tracking performance, as the RX10 IV is the first Cybershot with high density tracking AF. This technology activates the AF points to cover the area around your subject with amazing precision and stability. With silent shooting for sensitive areas and continuous shooting capable of tracking in autofocus and auto exposure at up to 24 frames per second, with a buffer of 249 shots, the RX was a dream to use while out shooting for the day. Built-in optical steady shot allows for up to 4.5 stops faster shutter speeds, and with an ISO range of 100 to 12,800, you can really expect to get great shots and capture images when light is not always ideal. 4K movie recording is internal, and with a full pixel readout and no pixel binning, the RX reduces banding issues while the front-end LSI lessens the rolling shutter effect of fast movement. When shooting movies, you can also use the 2 times faster autofocus system, which makes focusing smoother and easier than before. This also enables you to utilise the same wide-ranging AF points as when shooting still images. For video users wanting to colour grade and post, the RX10 can shoot S-Log2 and S-Log3. Slow motion is achieved by using that stacked CMOS sensor, where you can shoot up to 960 frames per second in Full HD, slowing your subjects down by about 40 times. While shooting at this fast pace, I honestly didn't know if I'd managed to capture any clear shots. But once reviewing them later, I was able to see how fast the tracking and continuous shooting of the RX10 IV performed. With its sealed body, tilting touch LCD, electronic viewfinder, easily accessible buttons and dials, I found the RX10 a pleasure to use. I may well have filled up a few too many memory cards faster than I would have liked, but the 24 frames per second allowed me to keep shooting my subjects while moving, as if I was recording a video. Yes, it is a 1-inch sensor and not APS-C, but the size of the camera overweighs that fact. There is no way I could have taken a DSLR or a CSE for that out for the day in such a small bag. To get a massive 24 to 600mm range, I would have required many lenses, and it would have been near on impossible to even come close to that weight of just over 1,000 grams. For any enthusiast photographer wanting to get a camera that gives reliable focusing, tracking and image quality, yet small and light because you're possibly heading out travelling around the world or on safari, then the Sony RX10 IV is certainly something to take a look at. For more information, check out the link below or head into your local London Camera Exchange.